Okay guys, so let's move to our new video. So this time, solve naman natin yung problems involving factoring. So of course, medyo higher level to na factoring compared dun sa sinolve natin na problems, yung naunang tatlong problems. Okay, this time, kung papansin natin, yung middle term mo, may variable na x and y. So yun. So we try to factor this polynomial. So dito, kung papansin natin, so what can you notice on this fact? Paano gagawin natin? So what can you first notice? So mapapansin natin, may common dito sa tatlong coefficient na 12, 36, and 27. Which is, they are all factors of 3. Tama? So kung factors yan ng 3, so pwede ka mag-factor out ng 3. By the way guys, yung word na factoring out is the inverse o yung kabaliktaran siya ng distributive property. So kung naalala niyo yung discussion or yung topics about yung properties of real number. So, one of those properties yung distributive. So, instead of distributing, you factor out. So, ilalabas natin. Okay? So, parang siya yung inverse. Hindi yung parang inverse talaga siya ng distributive. So, yun. So, we factor out the common factor ng 12, 36, 27, which is 3. So, factor out natin. So, 3. So, anong maiwan sa loob? So, of course, 4, di ba? Kasi 4 times 3 is 12. X squared minus, so 36. So this is, what, ano yan? 12, di ba? 12 xy plus, so of course, ito ay 9y squared. So yun na, di ba? So medyo madali na siyang, or medyo maano na siyang tignan. O next, what can you do? Or what can we do on this one? So papansin natin, may clue ka dito. Ano yung clue na makukuha mo? Kung papansin mo, yung first term mo is 4, which is what? A perfect square, di ba? And yung last mo na coefficient dun sa y squared, which is 9, is also a perfect square. So, therefore, posible or there's a high chance na factorable yan since meron kang perfect square. So, of course, we apply natin. So, of course, we take the square of this one, which is 2x. Diba? Diba ito yan? Then, ito naman, which is yung 9, which is ano siya, if you get the square root of this one, so that's 3y squared. Diba? Pwede mo siyang, ito, 4x squared, you can make this as a factoring of this one, and itong 9y squared, ito yung simplification natin. So, yun na. So, by application ng dalawa, so 3, so 2x, so wag mo natin lagyan ng ano. Ang goal kasi natin guys is, if you notice, if you do a FOIL method, pag inad mo yung inner and outer, so copy mo lang muna to. Since twice yan, so dalawa siyang basis na labas. So, isang yan, 2x, then 3y. So, naintindihan? Since, di ba, if you multiply 2x by 2x by 2x, di ba 4x squared? And if you multiply 3y by 3y, it means 9y squared. So, di ba? So, of course, kung papansin natin, di ba, ito yung kabaliktaran ng FOIL method, the inverse of FOIL method. So, ang goal natin ngayon, ano yung magiging sign nito? So that if you add the outer, yung product ng outer mo, which is 2x and 3y, pag inad mo sa inner, product ng inner, which is 3y and 2x, it'll give you negative 12. So, ano kaya yun? So, of course, it be dapat negative. Di ba? Diba? So, if you do a FOIL method, so of course, it will give you negative 12 xy. And, of course, ito na yung answer. Or, if you want, since ano naman siya, pwede mong i-combine sa isang, ano yan, fraction or isa pang expression, which is 3, or pwede rin ito. Since pareha siya, di ba, since same base, mag-add yung exponent. So, 2x minus 3y squared. Pwede rin ito. Kasi ba't naging squared? Kasi di ba, parehas nga sila. So, of course, may exponent 1 yan, may exponent 1. So, mag-add, mag-i-square siya. So, it becomes a square. So, clear, pwedeng ito, pwede rin naman ito. So, those two answers are acceptable naman. So, clear tayo din guys ha. So, ayun yung mga techniques na usually natutunan ko when I was in college. So So, pag nakita ko na perfect square, so I have a hint na possible or there's a high chance na factorable siya. Clear? So, yun. Next. Paano tayo? Problem. So, ayan. Mahirap-hirap naman yata yun, sir. Paano kaya yan? So, of course, check nyo pa rin kung possible, kung ano yung common. So, may common ba dito? Check yung coefficient kung may common factor ba yung tatlo. 4, 11, 6. Wala. Since 11 kasi is a prime number. So, kung naging 10 yan, possible 2. Or 2, kung 12 to rin, di ba? So, since naging 11 yan, so hindi. Tignan naman natin ngayon yung variables. So, may common ba? May common, di ba? XY, XY, XY. So, dito, applicable pa rin yung factoring out. Di ba? So, of course, pag variable naman, guys, pag mag-factor out kayo ng variables, always aim or ang ilalabas nyo na ang ifa-factor out nyo, guys, yung may pinakamababa na exponent na variable. Okay, o may pinakamababang power. Let's say, sa x muna, ano may pinakamababang exponent? Of course, ito, di ba? Yung x squared. Then sa y, ano yung pinakababa? Etong y na to, horsepower. So, yun yung ilalabas mo ngayon. So, yun yung i-factor out natin. So, ito yung x squared and yung y. Diba? Itong x squared na to, since ito yung pinakababang exponent. And yung y, which is, ito yung pinakababa. So, ito y squared kasi y cubed. So, yun. So, factoring out. So, anong may iwan dito? So, 4, of course. And of course, factoring out, since nagtanggal ka dito ng x squared, so, bawasan to ng dalawa. Diba? So, 4 minus 2, x squared na lang. Then, y. So, wala na yun. Since ito yung tinanggal mo. Minus 11. Then, x cubed minus x squared. X cubed. Nagtanggal ka ng dalawang exponent power dito. So, magiging x na lang yan. Then, dito, nagtanggal ka ng y. So, mababawasan din ng isang to. Yun, xy na lang. Plus, so, tinanggal natin yung x squared. So, 6 na lang. Then, matitira dito is y squared. Ayan. So, dito na medyo magmamagic tayo ng konti. Okay? So, apply tayo ng trial and error. So, diniscuss natin yun, di ba? Trial and error method. Kasi bakit? Kapansin natin, itong 4, okay ito, perfect square. Pero ito yung problema natin, 6y squared. Hindi siya perfect square. Okay? So, medyo mahirapan tayo dito. So, dito gagamit tayo ng trial and error. So, yun na. So, of course, ito, retain lang naman to since fixed naman yan all throughout. So, yun. So, x squared and y. So, ngayon, isip tayo ngayon ng product ng 4x squared na pag pinag-multiply natin yung, di ba, sa FOIL method, yung first terms, di ba? Ayan. Wala tayo ng dalawang parentheses. So, isip ka ngayon ng factor ng 4x squared na pag pinag-multiply mo, will give you 4x squared. So, first 2. Di ba? 2 times 2 is 4. Then, x. So, x times x, x squared. So, yun. Unahin natin yun. Testing natin. So, 2x and 2x. So, trial and error to, guys. So, posibleng mali, posibleng tama. Okay. So, yan. Pasok yan. So, ito na pag-isipan natin. Ano yung bibigay sa atin ng 6 na factor? So, pwedeng 3 times 2, di ba? O, try natin yan. So, 3 times 2. Then, sa y din. So, let's say, ito ay 3y. So, wala mo na sign. Ito ay 2y. Ayan. Nagets na. So, now, ang aim naman natin, kailangan makuha natin itong 11, negative 11. Na pag pinag-multiply natin ngayon yung outer, which is 2 and 2x and 2y, plus product ng inner, which is 3y and 2x, magbibigay sa atin ng 11. O, try natin. So, 2x times 2y, 4xy. 3y times 2x, 6. So, 4 plus 6, bitin. So, malamang, mali din yan. So, hindi ito tama. Since, paano ko nasabi? Kasi ang product nito, yung outer mo, which is yung outer, ang product niya, guys, is 2 times 2. So, that's 4xy. So, pag inad mo yan sa inner, yung inner mo, which is yung 3y, 2x, which is 6xy. So, pag inad mo yan, di ba hindi naman siya 11? So, 10. So, mali na yan. So, it means this is an incorrect or mali yung ano natin. So, isip ulit. So, kung mali yan. So, kahit pagbaliktarin mo yan, guys, kasi kung gusto mo pagbaliktarin, it will give you the same answer. Pa rin 10 pa rin yan. O, ulit. So, mali yan. Okay. It's out. So, x squared y. Kasi tayo ulit. So, this time, let's try naman 4x and x. Di ba pwede yan? Since 4x times 4 times x is 4x squared. And this time, so, ano natin? I-retain natin to. Kaya mo lang yan. So, since ano naman, 3y and 2y. Ngayon, let's check. Let's multiply yung outer. Ano ba yung outer mo? 4x and 2y. So, multiply. 4x times 2y, 8xy. Then, inner, 3yx. So, what is 8 plus 3? Di ba 11? So, pasok dito, di ba? Kuha mo tong negative yung 11. So, ang tanong na lang ngayon, can you get the sign which is negative? Pwede. If you make this negative, o kuha mo na, di ba? Kasi, if you multiply, so 4x times 2y, that's 8xy. I-add mo ngayon sa inner na 3y and x, which is 3xy. So, negative pala yun. Sorry, negative. So, negative. So, of course, pag in-add mo siya, negative 11xy. Tapos, ang boxing. So, yun na yun. So, which means, the final answer is, so, factor pala nito is this one. So, x squared y, 4x minus 3y, x minus 2y. So, ito yung application or parang additional application ng ating factoring using trial and error. So, isa-isahin mo yung mga factors. So, that's why always telling you guys, dapat alam niyo yung factors ng different coefficients numbers. Okay? So, alam niyo yung mga factor niyan para ma-apply natin to. Okay? So, yun. By the way, guys, thank you again for this video. So, next video, proceed tayo sa other topic. So, thank you, guys.